Assalamualaikum and greetings to all. I am Anisraya binti Isam, matrix number 20DEP18F1030 from DEP5B. My supervisor is Encik Samsawi bin Bojang. My project is called Smart Walking Stick. Smart Walking Stick helps the movement of blind people when they're in a risky place, from one place to another. This project was created to improve the normal stick to more sophisticated ones, following the age of modern technology. By adding ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, and vibrator, this stick can detect obstacles in front of the user from 3 distance and warn the user through the sound from the buzzer and vibrator when the distance is close. There is 3 problem statements for this project. Harassing others. By using the normal stick, blind people will disturb other people by pointing the stick at them without knowing it. Damage to public of other vehicles. In the normal stick, there is no ultrasonic sensor to recognize how far the obstacle. It will causing the user accidentally damage public or people's vehicle. User might get in accident. The normal stick, user didn't know any obstacle in front of them and might get accident. Objective for making this project is specially designed to detect obstacles which may help the blind to navigate carefree. By changing ordinary sticks to more sophisticated sticks, it is possible to reduce road accidents against people with disabilities. It can indirectly maintain their safety while on high-risk roads, help people with disabilities such as the blind to do their daily activities. As shown in the picture, I used PVC for its body, and for the box I used a plastic box to put the Arduino, power wire, and the buzzer. The height for this stick is 1 meter. It suits for anybody to use it. This project is used power bank for its power. For circuit and wiring, I use Arduino Uno, 2 buzzers, 3 ultrasonic sensors, and 1 vibrator motor. As shown in the picture, all positive pins for ultrasonic sensor are connected to 5 volts. Negative pins are connected to ground. Sensor 1 tweak pin are connected to pin 5 and echo pin are connected to pin 4. Sensor 2 tweak pin are connected to pin 7 and echo pin are connected to pin 6. And sensor 3 tweak pin are connected to pin 8 and echo pin are connected to pin 9. For vibrator motor, in pin are connected to pin analog 0, positive pin to 3.3 volt and negative pin are connected to ground. For buzzer 1, positive pin are connected to pin 2 and pin 3 for buzzer 2. Negative pins for buzzer 1 and buzzer 2 are connected to ground. It works when the ultrasonic sensor detects any obstacle in front of the user and giving them the signal through the buzzer. And when the distance are close, the vibrator will vibrate. The total cost of the project is 100 ringgit and 60 cents. The impact of this project is to provide adequate facilities to people in need such as the blind. The main aim of the system is to provide efficient navigation aid for the blind person, which gives a sense of vision by providing the information about the surroundings and objects around them. The blind no longer need the help of others to move from one place to another. My suggestion is to improve this project by adding hearing aids to make it easier for the blind to get signals more clearly. In addition, the stick can be added to the sensor to detect the left and right of the user. My hope for this project is to help blind who are always having trouble moving somewhere alone. My highest appreciation to my supervisor, Encik Samsawi bin Bojang, for helping me and advising me on the success of this project. Not forgetting Encik Muhammad Jamhari Ismail, who has helped and taught me until this project was successful.